The East Wing exit door unlocks and opens at 2:14 a.m. during a strict lockdown. This video, captured within the hospital's restricted wing, was recorded during a comprehensive facility-wide lockdown enforced last Thursday night. Surveillance confirms no staff or patients entered or occupied this corridor at that hour, a fact verified by footage from all adjacent cameras. Remarkably, the door remains open for precisely 42 seconds before closing on its own, with no person or object detected in the vicinity throughout. Advanced object recognition algorithms detected zero movement within 3 meters of the door during the entire open interval, ruling out any physical interaction. Further logs show no manual override request or security system breach at that timestamp.